Okay, so far we've looked at document-valued fields and array-valued fields. One last thing I'd like to show with respect to these types of aggregate data structures is an example of mixing the two. To do that, let's look at this document. And I want to point out that this document contains a field called Sky Cover Layer. This is one of those supplementary pieces of data that can appear in our documents in this collection. Sky Cover Layer is an array-valued field, but in contrast to our previous example, if we expand Sky Cover Layer, we see that this array contains, as its elements, nested documents. So for this particular document, Sky Cover Layer has a value that is an array containing 3 elements, where each element is a document, and each of those documents contains a value and quality measure. Something you should be aware of in working with Compass and in general with MongoDB is that we tend to use the terms object and document interchangeably. The reason for this terminology is something that we dive into in other lessons. As another example of mixing documents and arrays, let's take a look at the position field for this document. Now here, we have a nested document that has 2 fields, and one of those fields is an array. So in the example before, we saw an array field that had nested documents as its elements. In this case, we have a nested object that has an array as the value of one of its fields. For this document, type has a string value, and as we said, coordinates is an array containing 2 elements. MongoDB supports a range of scalar value types, including string, null, integer, double, and decimal, as well as document values and array values. You may use any supported value type for any field value or array element in a MongoDB document. One last thing before we conclude this lesson. As you've probably guessed, the position field in this example stores a point in a geospatial coordinate system. While geospatial is not a value type per se, using document structures, such as the one we're looking at here, MongoDB provides far-reaching support for geospatial data, enabling you to store a variety of shapes, calculate the distance between points, filter for documents that are within a specified radius of another point, and perform a number of other operations. Compass provides some nice conveniences for working with geospatial data. We can see an example with this collection if we visit the Schema tab and scroll down to the Position field. Jumping back to the Schema tab, if we scroll down to Position, we can see that Compass plots the positions of readings on a map of the Earth. We have full pan-zoom functionality here. In other lessons, we look at using this UI to filter collections for documents expressing locations within a specified distance of a reference point.